Welcome to London Underwriters. In this tutorial, we'll walk you through the quoting process using one of our programs, AUGold. A little background about AUGold: you can write builder's risks, vacant land, and property for residential and commercial risks, as well as small commercial packages and lessor's risks for property, wind, general liability, professional liability, special events, and more. Now, let's get started. Access AUGold. Begin by navigating to the official London Underwriters website at www.londonuw.com. Locate the prominently displayed Insurtech Login button and click it. On the subsequent login page, specifically, choose a quote now under the AUGold logo. Login. If you encounter any issues or forget your username, email our dedicated support team at marketing@londonuw.com. Introduce your username and password on the login page. Navigate AUGold. Upon successfully logging in, you'll be redirected to your personalized home AUGold portal. For this tutorial, we will provide a detailed walkthrough of a builder's risk quote. Navigate to the relevant section and ensure to select the full quote option for a comprehensive and detailed application. Eligibility, Section 1. Confirm the number of locations eligible for insurance coverage in the eligibility section. Please provide detailed information about the property, including its complete address. Answer a series of detailed risk-related questions covering aspects such as property type, claims history, and the projected start date of the project. It's important to stay alert for any underwriting alerts that may surface towards the end of this section. These will provide crucial insights into any potential challenges or declinations based on your responses. Applicant information, Section 2. Proceed to the applicant information section and provide detailed information about the applicant. This includes information such as the applicant's name, address, and contact details. Address any underwriting alerts that may be triggered based on the specific zip code of the client's location. Coverage details, Section 3. Proceed to the coverage details section and specify key aspects of the policy, including building age and liability limits. Property information, Section 4. Navigate to the property information section, a crucial stage for providing in-depth details about a property. Key inputs in this section include the protection class, the percentage of coinsurance, the square footage, the construction type, the number of floors, the deductibles, any additional required coverages, and pertinent details about claims or losses. This section also allows you to address any underwriting validations based on your responses and conveniently add another location if you overlooked it initially. Premium Overview, Section 5. Progress to the Premium Overview section, where you're presented with a detailed summary of the primary information provided in the preceding sections. An estimated premium, accounting for fees and taxes, is displayed based on the anticipated 6-month project duration. Summary and binding, Section 6. To complete the process, review the estimated premium amount shown in the Summary section and click on the Bind button. When you initiate the bind action, your application will be smoothly transmitted to our underwriting team. However, it's important to note that the quote is not yet bound at this stage. Our underwriting team will contact you to confirm if any additional information is needed in order to proceed with the binding request. By carefully following these steps, you can navigate the quoting process with AUGold at London Underwriters. If you have any questions or need further clarification, our dedicated support team can always provide prompt assistance.